Hey ka soido ni. Tuna kan witness to he. Mizo dance community at join kan Messi le Ronaldo ang kan ni Donna. It's gonna be big. So, Matthew, Peka, let's go! And we got yo, put your hands up. Hey! Wow! Hip hop. Wow! Wow! Okay, that's it. On my right side, we got Lil J. Let's go. Yo, hey. Hey, with the body, Mizo dance community at one. We can say they are the best. At Sansu, kan community studio Clemten Oma, until Vevea, and also Frozen Crew me Veveni. Alright? This shit is gonna be big. Okay. Dancers ready? 3 rounds, 45 seconds. Sammy ready? DJ, bring the beat in, let's go. Who will be the best?
You can hate me, fuck them all, and they mama. How many options you
J,
got? I mean, it's too many
first
options. I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible and God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walking down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pull on him, extort shit, really the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block one. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs and party at the party playing with his nose now. And Bubba got a weird case where I see around. Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 wop. That fuck 'em up. Wop, 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 wop. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor.
5, 4, 3, 2.
They not like us.
Let's go.
They not like us. 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 You think the pay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I think the open show gon' be your last stop, nigga. They cold foul. I don't know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Bird niggas and bird bitches. Go.
Okay.
The audience not dumb. Shake the stories how you want. Hey Drake, they're not slow. Rabbit hole is still deep. I can go further, I promise. Ain't there something be rest that's for bitching? You Malibu most wanted. Ain't no law boy, you ball boy. Fish Gatorade or something. Since 2009, I had this jumping. You niggas will get a wedgie.
Frozen
Slip
Crew.
the boxes. Well, over your foe. The other vaginal option. Let's see, you can better straighten their posture. Got famous all up in content. Might write this for the doctor. Tell a pop star quit hiding. Fuck a caption, won't action. No accident, I'm hands on. He fuck around, get popped. Fuck no rain grow. He's in jail. That's conniving. To get his face tagged like a bitch apologizing. I'm glad he rose came home.
Second row, Lil J, show me what you got. Let's go. Okay. Play with the beats. Woo! Lil J. Okay, let's go. Lil J, no hold back, let's go. Ah! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. He ain't joking. He's on fire. 4, 3, 2, 1. Third round, let's go, Lil J. Lil J. Fit in. MDC. Frozen Crew. Yeah, he's having fun right here. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, man. I see you, bro. I see you. No hold back. All out. Hey. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round of applause, everybody. Put your hand together. This shit hard, bro. Whew. All right. The moment of truth. Mizo Dance Camp Showdown. 1 versus 1 hip hop winner. In 10, 7, 6. Matthew Peka!